I think it's important to talk about some of the elements inside of the Human Exposure Workshop. One is we fight very hard, and always do. Everyone has an ego. The inner narcissist is in all of us. But the goal of HUXWRX is to be the egoless brand. Everyone is a rock star at HUXWRX. And that, from a consumer standpoint, that is from your starting sport shooter and enthusiast, all the way through to our highest level of special operator and professional. And because we look at them all the same way, we focus on their problem sets very uniquely. And the goal of this is to make their life better. That is the whole point. Now it's defined differently across these different segments. My hope is that when they approach Hux, they feel very appreciated. They feel that there's a warmth here that makes them matter, because we mean nothing without them. I mean, the consumer, the customer is everything. This isn't a bunch of people sitting on some moral high ground trying to preach. This is us learning daily from our customers and adjusting. And we're going to screw it up sometimes. That's going to happen, but then we're going to fix it faster than any other business out there. And that is my promise to you as our hopefully consumers or future consumers, but also that is my hope that if you see us at a trade show or at some event somewhere, you come up and just talk to us, because I believe we've got an amazing team who's going to treat you just like you are the unique and special individual that you are. Talking about my professional users, we will seek to understand the evolution of what you do and how you do it, the mission sets that you're put into, and again, our only goal is to bring you home, and whether that is keeping you safe or making you better at what you do, that will always be a guiding light within those teams. And I can promise you that our professional teams don't care that much about the business. They don't care whether we make money or don't make money or all the capitalistic elements there. They care about you. They care about you as a user much more than they ever will about some bottom line. And that was very specifically built that way, because that's the way I sort of feel and I believe, and it is my job to bring that together, but it is their job to take care of you, and they're going to continue